Hi and welcome to this video on how cryptocurrencies work. If you're new to the world of digital currencies, you may have heard of them but aren't quite sure how they function. Well, you're in the right place because in this video, we're going to explore the basics of cryptocurrencies and how they work. So, what exactly is a cryptocurrency? At its core, it's a digital asset that uses cryptography to secure financial transactions and to verify the transfer of assets. Cryptocurrencies use decentralized networks to record transactions, which means that they don't rely on a central authority like a bank or government to facilitate transactions. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, many other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, have also been created, each with their own unique features and uses. Now, you may be wondering how cryptocurrencies are created and traded. Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining, in which computers solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain, which is a public ledger of all cryptocurrency transactions. Miners are rewarded with a small amount of the cryptocurrency they are mining. Mining requires a lot of computer power and energy, which is why it's often done by specialized companies that have the resources and infrastructure to support it. However, individual users can also mine cryptocurrencies using their own computers, although it's becoming increasingly difficult to do so due to the high level of competition. As for trading, cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold on exchanges, which are platforms that allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using traditional currencies like dollars or euros. Cryptocurrencies can also be stored in digital wallets, which are software programs that allow users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. One thing to note is that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which means that their value can fluctuate significantly in a short period of time. This can make them risky investments, and it's important to do your due diligence and research before investing in any cryptocurrency. So, that's a simple explanation of how cryptocurrencies work. As you can see, they are complex but innovative technologies that are changing the way we think about money and financial transactions. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on this topic. And if you want to start using cryptocurrencies yourself, don't forget to create your own BINGX account using my referral link. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.